Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make this CapCut intro video. So here is the video that I will show you how you can make the video. Okay, so you need a black background like this as the main video, and then next you need to add three different solid colors and put it like this in the overlay. And then go to mask and choose split and make it blurry by dragging the arrow down. Click on the check icon and then add a keyframe at the beginning, and also move forward a bit and add another keyframe in here. Okay, and after that, at the second keyframe, pull the split, go to mask, pull the split down like this, and then click on the check icon and then go to the first keyframe, click on mask again, and then put the mask up, all the way up like this. And after that, do the exact same thing for all of the overlay. So I'm going to get back to you after all of the step has been done. Okay, so I've already done all of the masking, and then you need to add like logos, three logos or images that you want as overlay. So in this case, I'm using this superhero logo. I'm going to add three. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, I'm going to put the first one, the third one in here, and then the second one at the center, and the first one I'm going to put it in here. Okay, like that. Oops. Okay, and then after that, click on the logo, the first logo here, and add two keyframe. Okay, you can add it the same position as the overlay in the color like this, and then add two keyframe. Click on the logo and move the logo up in the first keyframe here. Move the logo up like this until it's out of frame, and then go to graphs and then choose ease out 3 like this. Click on the check icon and then do the same thing with the other two logos. Okay, next you can add the fade in animation for all of the logo and also the color animation. So in and then fade in and set it half. Okay, do this for all. Okay, so I've already added animations for all of the color and also the logos, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.